Computers have come a long way from the time when a qualifying gaming laptop would cost you an arm and a leg. Now, you will be able to get your hands on budget gaming laptops that can fuel your gaming needs without burning a hole through your pocket. So, before heading out to purchase a gaming laptop, we recommend watching this video. So as of today, we will show you a list of the top 10 best budget gaming laptops that will quench your thirst for affordable gaming. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Built for gamers who are on a tight budget, the HP Victus 16 delivers satisfactory performance to get you hooked on gaming. This laptop is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 5 5600H processor that boasts up to 4.2 GHz max boost clock, and you will be able to enjoy stunning in-game visuals thanks to its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 4 GB of dedicated memory. With 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage, you will get a responsive system with shorter load times and faster boot ups. You will also be able to take this laptop outside or with you on your commute, as the anti-glare 16.1-inch display ensures you see every detail of its full HD IPS panel. The battery can last for more than 10 hours, and thanks to its enhanced heat pipe design, it remains cool even under heavy load. To conclude, with great graphics, a highly capable processor, and good thermal management, the HP Victus 16 is definitely worth checking out at this budget-friendly price range. Prepare yourself for late-night LAN parties with the ASUS TUF Dash F15, a slim and affordable gaming laptop that is durable enough to resist everyday knocks and bumps. Powering this unit is the latest 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor with 8 GB of memory and 512 GB of SSD storage. This laptop is equipped with a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti GPU to make gaming smooth on up to a super fast 144Hz display. Speaking of the display, it rocks a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with adaptive sync that synchronizes with the GPU's frame rate to minimize lag and stuttering. It has up to 16.6 hours of battery life and even features an ultra-fast Thunderbolt 4 that will let you easily connect to the latest devices or charge the laptop quickly. With 483 blade fans and 5 heat pipes, it dissipates heat quickly to keep the component temperatures at acceptable levels and extend the device's lifespan. All things considered, the ASUS TUF Dash F15 is a budget-friendly laptop that expertly balances practicality and value. Some gaming laptops are all about packing incredible power in a thin chassis, but others like the MSI GF63 simply aim to deliver excellent value for the money. This perfectly capable gaming laptop comes with a 10th Gen Intel Core i5 processor, along with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Max-Q for immersive, fast-paced gaming. It is also equipped with 16 GB of memory and 512 GB of SSD storage to ensure great gaming and multitasking performance. The 15.6-inch Full HD resolution IPS display has a 60Hz refresh rate, which is decent enough for slow-paced adventure games. With 6 heat pipes and dedicated thermal solutions for both the CPU and GPU, it can harmoniously minimize the heat and maximize the airflow. In a nutshell, the MSI GF63 will give you balanced and responsive performance for both gaming and productivity at an attractive price tag. Reach your true gaming potential without spending too much. Meet the Dell G15, which will allow you to experience powerful performance, keeping the budget in mind. It is equipped with a 6-core AMD Ryzen 5 processor, along with 8 GB of RAM, a 256 GB solid-state drive, and a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 to take your gaming to the next level. This laptop has an excellent thermal design that gives the system enough cooling to deliver sufficient power while adjusting to the system load. Its 15.6-inch Full HD display panel features a 120Hz refresh rate with 250 nit brightness and a 100% sRGB color gamut. On top of that, Vivid sound quality is produced through its dual speaker system that will allow you to hear every plan of attack with clarity. Overall, the Dell G15 is a sleek-looking gaming laptop that will meet your style as well as gaming demands, all at an affordable price. Geared for serious gaming, the ASUS ROG Strix G15 is a budget-oriented gaming laptop that delivers the power and performance you need to play games without any hiccups. With the combination of AMD Ryzen 7 4800H CPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GP, 8GB of RAM, and 512GB of SSD storage, this laptop is armed to tackle any situation by delivering dependable performance for gaming, editing, and everything in between. Moreover, it features a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display that runs at a buttery smooth refresh rate of 144 Hz, taking full advantage of its superb GPU. Its comprehensive cooling system incorporates a liquid metal compound on the CPU and a well-ventilated exterior, ensuring optimal temperatures even under heavy load. All in all, the ASUS ROG Strix G15 provides amazing performance and a blazing fast display that will surely give you the extra edge you need to win while keeping the budget in mind. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share.